The game in the Big Boss 15 house is getting interesting every week. The dynamics are changing in the house, and there are lots of twists and turns happening in the show. Big Boss 15 contestant Rashmi Desai expressed her feelings for Umar Riaz during the ticket to finale task by cupping his face and declaring, "I love you." She did it even as she was having a heated argument with Devolina Bhattacharjee. In the previous episode, when Abhijit Bijukle asked Devolina for a kiss on his cheek, she warned him not to cross the line. Tejasvi Prakash stood up for Devolina, but Rashmi was not in her favor. Rashmi in fact told Devolina that she should know how to draw the line and that if she kept interfering all the time, others would do the same. Tejasvi countered Rashmi by telling her off, "You go and even hang out with those about whom you keep backbiting." Rashmi then reminded Tejasvi that Devolina had defended Abhijit when he called her a gutter. In the course of this argument, Devolina said to Rashmi that if she liked Umar Riaz, why did not she dare to say this to him? To answer Devolina, Rashmi walked up to Umar, held his face and said, "I love you." Later she challenged Devolina, "What will you say now?" She went on to call Devolina an opportunist. Tejasvi later asked Rashmi if she really liked Umar. Rashmi replied that she never thought about it, but yes, she connected well with him. Well, it seems the friendship of Devolina and Rashmi has taken an ugly turn. On the other hand, entertainment queen Rakhi Sawant and Ritesh's relationship is taking a bitter turn, and their differences look like not coming to an end in Big Boss 15. The latest promo shows Rakhi and Ritesh getting into an argument, and Rakhi asks him to pay attention towards her. She says, "I am so possessive about you, but when will you pay attention towards me?" Ritesh replies, "I am having a headache because of you." After this, he just left. Later, Rakhi is seen discussing her relationship with Tejasvi Prakash, and she tells her he is the only husband who is not at all interested in his wife. "He's not even ready to sit with me. Don't know how this relationship will work." Rakhi continues saying, "He is interested in other girls but not in me. It is really strange." It seems their relationship is going through a rough patch, and how it shapes up further will be seen in the coming episode. The upcoming episode of Big Boss 15 will see some major twists, from contestants getting into heated arguments and fights during the ticket to finale task to surprise evictions. There are chances of double evictions that can happen anytime. According to sources and reports in social media, Abhijit Bijukle and Ritesh may get evicted. The official announcement is yet to be made. Big Boss 15 airs on Colors.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.